Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I am an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you how Saturn in the 5th house will affect certain areas of your life. This all will be discussed in this video. But before that, I'll request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification so that you may get regular updates of my videos. Well, welcome you all. First of all, we need to understand what is 5th house. 5th house is a house of childbirth. Your firstborn baby is shown by the 5th house. 5th house also shows whether the lady will be able to conceive the child in their life or not. That is shown by 5th house. 5th house shows your speculation work, your speculation business like gambling or share trading is also shown by the 5th house. 5th house shows your intelligence. 5th house also shows your addiction. If you have alcohol addiction or any other addiction, that is shown by the 5th house. 5th house also shows love affairs in your life. 5th house also talks about your stomach. The stomach area is shown by the 5th house. So when any planet like Saturn comes in the 5th house, what all results will it be giving and what all areas of your life will it impact? Before that, we need to know what is Saturn. Saturn is a malefic planet. Saturn is a planet which takes longer than other planets to complete its task, or whatever the function the Saturn has, it takes longer than usual. Saturn gives you struggles. If Saturn comes in your DBA, then your struggles will be majorly high. The things which you were able to achieve in other planets like Venus and Jupiter quite comfortably, you were able to get the gains in your life when these planets Dasha or Bhukti were running. But whenever the Saturn will come anywhere in the Dasha or Bhukti, or if it's sitting in the 5th house, then a result of 5th house will get delayed in your life because Saturn will be acting its role in the 5th house. Okay, so how will it impact? Since it's a malefic planet also, so it will be giving malefic results. 5th house is also the house of religion, house of dharma, house of spirituality. So when Saturn comes here, what happens? First of all, it creates problems in your married life. When Saturn is there in the 5th house, it's become difficult for a person to get married, or they get married late in their life. It's not easy for them to get married easily. Whenever they try to get married, something wrong will happen. They will not find a guy for them, or maybe the person whom they will try to get married, the spouse, the person they will be looking for, they will not get the same match. They will be getting people or spouse of elder in age. 5th house Saturn will make the person to marry somebody who's elder in age. They will fall in love with somebody who's elder, and I'm not talking about an age gap of 4 or 5 years. I'm talking about an age gap of 10 to 12 years or 15 years also in some cases. So 5th house here will create problem in marriage. Why will it create problem in marriage? Because Saturn has an aspect of 7th house, 3rd house and the 10th house. So while sitting in the 5th house, Saturn aspects your 7th house. 7th house is a house of your spouse, the person you are going to get married. So when Saturn will be aspecting your 7th house, it will deteriorate the quality, or it will give bad result in the 7th house. So it will create marriage problems. Then it will be aspecting your 2nd house from your 10th aspect. Saturn will be aspecting your 2nd house. So 2nd house is a house of family. It will be difficult for a person to get into family after marriage. Okay, then it also aspects your 11th house. 11th house is the fulfillment of desire. Without 11th house, it won't be easy for a person to get married. So all the marriage combinations or all the houses which helps a person to get married and to have a fulfilling life after marriage will get affected when Saturn is sitting in the 5th house. So Saturn in the 5th house creates problem in the marriage life to a greater extent, which I have seen in many patris. Then Saturn, what happens in the case of kids? Well, Saturn here creates problem for a person to have, for a lady to conceive a child in their life. If Saturn is getting aspected by Jupiter, or Saturn is there in the nakshatra lord of Saturn is you may say Jupiter, then it will be easier for a person to have a child, but without it, it will create problem in the person to have babies in their life. If the Saturn is giving result of 4th house, 10th house, or first, 4th or 10th house, then it will be very difficult for a person to have babies or to conceive child in their life. This is the problem which they will feel or they will face. What happens when a person fall in love? For love affair, Saturn here creates problem in a manner like the person will have an affair with a person much older in age, and their loving style or their way of loving people will be very separative. They will love somebody who would be very different from others, a very unique kind of person they will get married. The person will be very older in age, and they will also, there is one more possibility that the spouse may be, in most of the cases you will find that the spouse will be of other caste and creed, okay, other caste and culture, and elder in age also. So this is what happens when Saturn comes in your 5th house. Education wise, if Saturn comes, the effect in education is the person will become more research oriented. He will take longer for anything to perceive, okay. So he will be very good in the research work, or he may go into engineering line or computer engineering he may do. He can get into research work. He can be a doctor also. So Saturn here helps a person to improve his research level, because Saturn is a planet which gives delays things. So in research work also, the person has to continuously think on the results, or how to do, what are the results. So they need to introspect things a lot. So Saturn here will help them to magnify the results of research work, or their engineering sort of profile they may get into when Saturn is. So guys, this was my observation on Saturn in the 5th house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification. So thank you all for your love and messages. I wish you all the best. Thank you.